coin of 1962, also known as the 1962 Jefferson nickel. This coin may look common at first glance, but it carries historical importance, interesting varieties, and surprising value in high grades. The Jefferson nickel was first introduced in 1938, replacing the Buffalo nickel design. It was designed by Felix Schlag, and it features a left-facing portrait of President Thomas Jefferson on the front. On the reverse side, we see Monticello, Jefferson's historic home in Virginia. The design is simple, elegant, and has remained one of the longest-running designs in United States coinage history. The 1962 nickel was minted during a time when the United States was experiencing economic growth and Cold War tensions. Unlike the wartime nickels of 1942 to 1945, the 1962 nickel returned to its standard composition of 75% copper and 25% nickel, with a weight of 5 grams and a diameter of 21.2 millimeters. In 1962, the 5-cent coin was struck at 2 mints. The Philadelphia Mint produced more than 97 million coins, and these have no mint mark. The Denver Mint produced over 280 million coins, and these have a small D mint mark to the right of Monticello on the reverse. Because mint marks were still used in 1962, collectors can easily identify the mint of origin. Even though the mintage numbers are high, finding high-grade coins with full steps on Monticello is much more difficult. Collectors pay special attention to what is called full steps. This means the steps of Monticello on the reverse are clearly visible and fully separated. Coins graded with full steps designation are much rarer and significantly more valuable. Now, let's talk about varieties and errors. The 1962 nickel has some minor double die varieties, where you may notice slight doubling in the lettering, such as "In God We Trust" or "Liberty." There are also repunched mint mark varieties on some 1962 D coins where the D mint mark appears slightly doubled. Other collectible errors include off-center strikes, clipped planchets, die cracks, and lamination errors. These types of mint errors can add strong premiums depending on their visibility and condition. Now, let's discuss the value of the 1962 nickel based on condition. In circulated grades such as good or fine, the coin is usually worth only face value or slightly above, around 5 to 25 cents. In extremely fine condition, it may sell for around 50 cents to $1. In about uncirculated condition, the value can range from $1 to $3. In mint state condition, prices begin to increase. A mint state 63 coin may sell for $5 to $10. A mint state 65 example can bring $15